This Codility test is the triangle problem in the sorting section. Why? Well, let's dive in and find out. First, let's go over what they're asking us to solve. The question is, can a triangle be built from an array of integers? Yes or no? 1 for yes, 0 for no. We are given an array of integers labeled A, as shown here. We know from the description that P is less than Q, less than R for sure. That gives us a clue that it should be sorted. But why? We also know that any triplet of integers is triangular if P plus Q is greater than R. The reason it needs to be sorted is because by sorting it first, this will enable the most efficient way to solve. Here's why. If it's sorted first, we only need to know one thing, which is this. The sum of the first index, 0, added with its adjacent number, 1, must be greater than the third adjacent element, which is 2, to be triangular. To fully understand this, let's look at what happens when it's not sorted. If it was not sorted, then we would need to check for three things. The first one was the example just shown, and the next two are shown here. We would need to know by traversing the array, and that takes time and space. This means we would need more information to get our results. However, with a sorted array performed first, we can eliminate the need to check the other two equations. We would only need to check one thing. Why? Because when it's sorted, the other two equations are automatically true.
Hey there! If you made it this far and enjoy what you're seeing, why not subscribe? I upload fresh content all the time. Thanks for watching.
Let's see this in action. We have our given array of A, and after sorting we have this. And per the description, we know there is only one triplet in this array that is triangular. In our sorted array, let's do the math in our heads since the numbers are small and watch for the sums. Is 1 plus 2 greater than 5? No. Is 2 plus 5 greater than 8? No. Is 5 plus 8 greater than 10? Yes. Is 8 plus 10 greater than 20? No. Since we have a yes, our first array will be 1 for yes, because there is a triangular triplet. If you do the same exercise on the second example array given, you will see that it would produce a 0 because there is no sum greater than its adjacent indices. For this video, I didn't actually film the typing of the code, but I will show you my test results. As we scroll down the page, you can see I got 100% across the board with the right time complexity. Notice here it took me 7 minutes, so you can probably guess I was fumbling a bit with the code. Thought I'd spare you the ugly details, but you can see here what I put in, and I didn't need to implement or specify off the rip that the len of A needed to be more than 3 elements. You could probably do that, but it's honestly just preference for readability.
Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Daily videos throughout the week are coming out, so don't forget to subscribe.